Heard the beep.
Can you read what it says on the outside?
It says nothing.
Oh. Whoa.
Little stickers. Some stickers. Awesome. Little rainbow stickers. A little painting. Balloons. Balloon stickers.
Wow, so many awesome stickers.
Heart stickers. I can make this for my final picture.
Now read and see what the card says.
Card. Okay. This says nothing.
Open it up.
Okay. Hey,
What?
it's cursive.
Oh.
I can read cursive.
Tell people what kind of letters they should write to you.
I love these awesome stickers.
Cool.
This one looks just like Rosie.
Yeah. All right.
I'm gonna go tell Rosie that this looks like you.